In this video, you will learn how to create your first listing. You can create a listing using any device. This means you can even use your mobile phone to create listings. In order to create a listing, start by clicking the green Create button at the top of your screen. You will then be redirected to a page where you can complete your product information. The first step is to determine which marketplaces you want to list this product on. This is important because the selection of marketplaces will determine which product information fields appear. The idea behind this is that we will only show you fields that are actually available on the marketplaces you wish to list on. For example, if you only select Poshmark and Depop, we will not show you fields that are supported by Mercari, such as tags. This saves you time in completing the product information. In this example, we want to create a listing for a product that we want to list on Poshmark and Mercari, so we select those marketplaces on the left-hand side. We can now move on to completing the product information. Note that fields marked as optional are not mandatory on any of the marketplaces you've selected. When you're done completing the form, you can either save the listing or post the listing to the marketplaces you've selected. It's quite useful to know that Crosslist also allows you to save drafts in case you do not have all the necessary information available to complete the form. You can distinguish between drafts and completed listings by looking at the badge in the listing overview. Listings that are fully completed and are ready to post are marked as valid. Listings that are not yet ready to post are marked as draft. For optimal productivity, you can use your mobile phone to take pictures of your products, save them as a draft, and then complete the listing information using your keyboard on your computer. That's it. You have now created your first listing. In the next video, you will learn how to post your product to the marketplaces you've selected.